Hello, this is Renovation Update, day 20. Let's take a look around. You'll notice over here, the door is up with the new lock and the handle, and that's the other lock. We still have another lock installed. And finally, we have the light switches. So we can go like this, and you'll see the lights will switch on. I'll show you now. There's one of the lights, and there's two lights over here. And we've got a light up here. And we've got another light over there, so that's looking good. I'm still deciding on the paint color. That's the electrical over there that's been worked on, the pipe in over there. The bathroom, not much has happened since, but we have got the lights and the other lights as I showed you. And here's the door, very nice door handle. So yeah, I think next week we're going to be doing the tiling, so I can't wait to show you the floor looking all tiled.